On your phone, the source for weather. The Weather Channel. Now your local on the 8s.
A winter storm warning is in effect for our area. Currently in our area, 26 degrees with snow. Here's our local Doppler radar. Today, periods of snow and gusty winds, high 31. Winds north at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Snow accumulating 3 to 5 inches. For tonight, periods of snow and windy, low 25. Winds northwest at 25 to 35 miles per hour. 5 to 8 inches of snow expected. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. On Monday, mostly cloudy and windy with snow showers. High 27. Chance of snow 40%. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. The week ahead.
It was the forecaster.